when you're lying in bed and can't fall asleep. The ultimate cure for late-night insomnia. On your side, your stomach, or curled up under the blanket. When you're ready, make a little sound. After the blizzard. Fluffy snow clings between the trees. Slowly weaving through the forest is something he plans 5 or 6 times every year. He pulls out a folding shovel. He playfully forms a snowball. He gently pushes the snowball down the slope. It rolls only a few turns after clearing an open space. Sud-ouest ton s'incide. Even snowfall at night is crystal clear and pushes them firmly into the ground as anchors. 10. To block the cold from the ground, making it soft, cozy, and warm to lie on, and piles snow around the tent. Finally, he takes out his portable stove. Once everything is set. After all, temperatures below -20 degrees. So collecting them doesn't take long. He saws it into smaller pieces. All the chopped firewood is carried back and lights the fire together with the logs. Once everything is ready, and wraps them around the tent. It would be even better with someone special here, caught earlier in a mountain stream, and seals them in plastic bags, and toasts to slices of bread until golden, while frying the fish. The fried fish is served with the sauce and fresh vegetables. Is finally ready. After eating and relaxing, wishing everyone a peaceful night and good sleep.